Hey, what's up?
Trying to find sound effects. They're so freaking expensive.
Like, how expensive?
See for yourself, my friend.
Nope.
I don't know what we're gonna do for this new video.
Hey, you know, like, voiceovers and stuff, right?
Yeah?
How about we make our own sound effects? Imagine this.
That's a terrible idea.
Credits.